Now we are going to learn counting in fives. So today's topic will be counting in fives. So I have a lot of colorful ice creams in my hand, different color ice creams. So I'm going to place it in groups of 5 in fives in a small cup over here. So I need to count the same color and the shape and place it in the cup. So I'm going to take the first cup and I'm going to place the first ice cream, which is green in color. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So I'm grouping the ice creams into 5 each. In each group it will be 5 of the same color and shape. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 ice creams. In the next cup I'm going to place the next color and shape. So I'm going to place the pink ice cream in this cup. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So I have 5 ice creams in this cup. And in the next cup I will place the next color. It is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So I have 5 ice creams in this cup. In the next, I'm going to place the next color. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So I have 5 ice creams. So I'm grouping these ice creams into 5 each in each cup. And in the last cup, I'm going to place the next 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So I have 5 cups of 5 ice creams each. So I have 5 in this, 5 in this, 5 in this, 5 in this and 5 in this. So this is counting in fives or skip counting in fives. So it is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So this is your counting in fives. Now using the number line, we could also do skip counting in fives. So I'm going to draw a number line. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So now using the number line, we are going to do skip counting in fives. So we'll start from 0 to 5. Then we go to number 10. Then it is 15 and 20. So this is your skip counting in fives. You are grouping the objects in 5 each group. I do hope you've understood skip counting in fives.